Maybe we should try.
Let's find out.
And thus we introduce the plant Spiker Shield Bundle.
Now that we're all set up, it's time to do some experiments. Inside the Venus flytrap, there are little trigger hairs that will fire a calcium axe potential when they're touched. And although they last much longer, the spikes are very similar to those of neurons. The plant axe potential begins the process of the leaf closing. In our first experiment, let's take a look at what happens when you touch a trigger hair.
Greg, it seems like the system would be really sensitive to wind. How come the plants don't just close all the time?
Right, because they have trigger hairs inside the leaves, so when a fly's in it, it has to touch the hairs twice within 20 seconds, then it closes.
So we could actually measure this, maybe.
Maybe we can do an experiment.
You'll notice that when you wait 30 seconds, you get 2 action potentials, but the plant doesn't close.
But what if we only wait 10 seconds between the taps? You get 2 action potentials, and the trap closes.
Backyard Brains would like to thank the Computational Neuroscience course at the MBO.
The plant Spiker Shield Bundle is available now. What will you discover?
Scientists have just discovered is an innovative system of communicating danger to their other parts, using some of the same signals as in animal nervous systems. So how do plants know to go on guard? It starts with a chemical, an amino acid called glutamate. Any type of agitation, from a bug bite to a mechanical cut, causes the release of glutamate, activating receptors that trigger a calcium-based signal that moves through the plant. The signal travels the green highway of the plant's vascular system in just 1 to 2 minutes, activating defense hormones that prepare distant leaves for an impending invasion.
Scientists at the University of Missouri recently discovered that this tiny mustard plant creates chemical defenses in response to the chewing vibrations of this predator. They used specialized lasers to detect these vibrations.
Playing them back to the plant, and Heidi's part is to look at